Hey y'all, don't mind me. I know I look a mess, but I just wanted to show y'all some behind the scenes stuff. All right, y'all, so the spices are ready to go. This is just some of them, because you can see babe right there doing my promo shots right now. I hope you guys support. Will you be the first 50 to get a spice and show off to your friends because they missed out and didn't order the day it came out? But yeah, so that's what I'm doing on my Thursday night. They go live on Sunday afternoon here on YouTube. And yeah, spicy girl. Oh, let me show y'all how I was putting the labels on. You want to say something to them?
I did. Now I don't remember. Everything by hand, man. Everything by hand. Everything from the ground up. Y'all gonna love it. Just wait.
All right, y'all. So look at me. Crunch time. These should have been done, but the labels came like a couple days ago. The spices been here. They've been came and ready to go. So sorry for popping my mouth. I was drinking some water. Sorry. But yeah, this is a spice. I'm manually putting them on. They have a sticky on the back. This is for anybody else trying to open a business or whatever. What we got again? I don't remember.
The labels?
Yeah, this
Printrunner.com.
Printrunner.com. If you're trying to find labels, you get a lot for a decent price. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, just to remind you to be here on Sunday. I will be live Sunday afternoon. Yeah, promoting. So be here. Bye guys.